Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll dive into Talking Parent app review in order to check if the app is worth using. So let's dive into it. The Talking Parent app is handy if you need a secure, documented way to communicate in co-parenting or shared custody situation. You can send messages, log calls, and GPS tag location check-ins. You also have everything archived in case you ever need a proof. That makes it easier to track exchange, make sure plans are followed, and keep a transparent communication record. But it's not ideal for casual chattings or privacy-sensitive conversation. Some users dislike the app-wide archiving, and others say notifications or message synchronization can be unreliable. So if you're already communicating smoothly with other parents, the app might feel heavy-handed. With the other parent, and the app might feel heavy-handed. So in my opinion, I actually think the Talking Parent is worth using if you need clarity, accountability, or legal grade record keeping. But it's overkill if you want a normal chat app. So that's it. I find the video helpful. If you do, turn on the notification button and try to subscribe for more review.